Another day, beautiful snow people. Thank you. Look at all these beautiful ski patrol people. Oh,
beautiful ski people. Stuff to be done. Same with Devo. Devo is kind of the chief, if you will, over everything that happens out there on the hill. So if Devo says there's stuff to be done, don't be offended. Let's get out and do it. I don't think there's anybody that can keep up with Devo.
Keep checking all the runs in a timely manner. I don't think we talk about that enough. If someone hasn't been over to Wild Ride and everybody's been going on out and double out straight up, we need to go check Wild Ride and Devo's. Same thing with 7 and going out to outskirts. Go where the people rarely go sometimes.
Good morning, magical. Of course. Good morning, magical snow people. It is Saturday, the 8th of January. It is a gorgeous day. We have probably 2 to 3 inches of fresh powder on top of the groomed runs, and that is my favorite thing. I gotta be honest with you. I like to have anywhere from 0 inches of powder to probably a little over a foot or so on groomed is a lot of fun because you can actually handle it. I'm a terrible powder skier once it gets really deep. Like over there. Beautiful. Runs off of 8. If you like powder, go to the runs off of 8. But I digress. So today I am going to be at the top of 2. Well, all the runs on 2 to be specific. And we are going to have, if all things work out, I'm going to give the camera over to Kennedy. Her and Jesse are going to head out to do some avalanche work over there at Devo's. And they are going to take this camera with them. So hopefully that'll work out. And I'm going to be doing my usual stuff. This looks fun. This looks fun. Little powder on top of the bumps. We'll see how today goes, shall we? Oh, also, that was so cool to meet Mike from San Diego yesterday. I mentioned it in the video yesterday, but met him up at the top of 1. So cool that, hey, that anybody would want to watch my ridiculous videos. But more so, it's just cool to meet people in real life. So, should have did a little interview with him. I apologize, Mike. But yeah, that's it for now. Let's get to sliding, shall we? There's all the wonderful patrol people getting everything ready for everyone. So cool. I love this job.
Patch, ready for signs on 3?
If I'm honest, one of my very favorite things in the whole wide world is doing sweeps on 2 in the morning, particularly after it's snowed. It is awesome. So these runs got groomed last night, and then yeah, it snowed. Probably just a couple inches, but sometimes, correct me if I'm wrong, ladies, that's all it takes. Don't let my wife hear that joke. Woo. Oh, this is fun. So, my beautiful snow people, know ye this, that just because there's a little bit of powder on top of something doesn't mean that what is underneath the powder is soft too. And good example is right now, off-piste, it's still pretty icy up underneath this little layer of powder. See, this is getting frozen in. No bueno. Here we go. Such is the nature of the job. Look at that view. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, my friends. If you're not here right now, you need to get in your car right now. Mike in San Diego, you're probably still here. But if you're not, get in your car in Las Vegas or Carlsbad
Calvin, hold up on that.
and get here. So on sweeps, we've talked about it before, you want to be checking that everything is marked, all the pads are where they're supposed to be. I like to see what the off-piste is like. In other words, the non-groomed areas. Just let people know. Woo! It's crust. Crust with some powder on top, so still fun though. Just have to beware. Then we also pick up giant, horrifying
need that drill, yeah.
rocks from the run. This would hurt, peeps. Holy crap. We'll throw this over here by our friendly tree so it can't hurt anybody. This place forms up into a really fun natural bowl that hasn't formed up just yet. Oh, look at that. We should drop in. Let's do it. I'm a scaredy cat, okay? But that was pretty fun. All right, one of my favorite areas. This is looking good, everybody. Oh my goodness, this is nice. That would be Luke. We'll follow him down. Low signs going up. I did mention this is the best job in the entire world, right? As Andy bravely hands the slow sign over to Kennedy, who hippity hops in her snowboarding way. Kennedy is slowly being cured of her snowboarding ways.
I started skiing again.
What?
2 days. I'm ready to go top 5, honestly.
Really?
I used to ski.
I know. That's awesome. Good.
I might bring him up there today for ski runs.
Cool. Good. Well, have fun, brother. Be safe. Yeah, it'll be fun.
My parents say they don't see me enough on that.
Oh, well, there you go. Say hi.
Hi, parents.
There you go. I'll make sure that's in.
Both sides.
Woo! Look at this handsome beast. To visualize, if you had skis, you could do this. Yep. So, it's a lot of fun. It's probably about 2 or 3 inches of powder on top of the groomed and obviously off-piste as well. However, off-piste, like out in the trees and whatnot, is really, really crusty up underneath the powder. So,
Alright.
just beware that you're still gonna slide all over the place.
Alright, cool.
But it's
Hey.
fun. Have fun.
Oh, we will. Thanks for that input.
Yep, you got it. All right. Let's go there, snowboarder people. Not all day.
Right in the morning. Thanks, guys. You hold this for a second.
I got you. The young Danny is being grilled intensely by the mentor, otherwise known as Andy.
What's one we use a lot? There's one we use a ton.
Look at all these beautiful snow people while it's snowing. Epic day. I hope everybody stays safe. There's a lot of woohoos out there. So woos usually equal like woo. The woo quotient is directly proportional to the injury quotient, everyone. Alrighty, one of the more challenging things we do every day is ski carrying stuff. So if you want to be a ski patrol, realize that you're going to have to ski or snowboard while carrying various stuff. So this will be one of the easier things that we carry. Super lightweight, and it's not real windy right now, so not a big deal. Well, that's it. So we got to do that. I got to take these over on a mission of mercy. So here we go. So everyone, Kennedy is going to be our guest host today.
Hello.
Right.
Jesse, what gear do you need to go out of bounds?
That's so inspirational. The deep boot, and then you need your pokey thing and the diggy thing.
Okay. So me and Jesse are headed out to Devo's pitch, out of bounds. We're gonna take our beacons and our probes and our shovels and our buddies.
Oh boy.
That's what you need to go out of bounds at ski resorts.
How bad
To be
was it
safe. Yeah.
Kennedy, the snow's pretty good. I'd say right's probably a little better though.
Coffee stick right. So this is Devo's pitch from the bottom. We took care of this power box, just high vis, all this good stuff right here. And we're headed out. Day out of bounds. We did good work, I guess. I will hand the camera back over to Shannon for now. Don't think I'm quite cut out for this job, so nice seeing y'all. To Shannon a while ago, but things got a little busy, didn't happen, so you guys got to hear from me today. Sorry I wasn't the best hostess, didn't get a lot of footage, but day is over. Chair 5 was great. We're just finishing up sweeps right here, waiting for some people to go down. Oh, here comes Jesse.
I like to say that I'm the best snowboarder on the mountain.
Jesse's pretty awesome. Yes, he is. So yeah, we'll turn things back over to Shannon for the rest of probably forever, because I don't ever want to do this again. But yeah, thanks for hanging out with us today on Chair 5. Goodbye.
This would hurt, peeps. Holy crap.